right, it has to be in here somewhere. Mario, do you know what we're looking for? The waster remover. A waster remover? The waster remover. The waster remover. The waster. Wait a sec, who told you that? You did? Of course I didn't, Luigi. I'm just testing you. That's the mission. We're not here to remove Byleth or Marth or Lucina. We're going back in time to the first Smash game to get Fire Emblem off the roster. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Smash game to get Fire Emblem off the roster. Who are you talking to, Mario? This guy right here. See, he gets it. Look at him. Welcome, soldier. I salute you. Okay, Mario, you can be weird sometimes.